everybody, it's MTX. We're located here in Glen Allen, Virginia. Today we're going to be looking at the 2023 Big Tex 10PI. It's an equipment trailer with fold-up ramps. This trailer's GVWR is 9,990 pounds and its payload capacity is 7,614 pounds too. Its floor length is 18 feet and its floor width is 83 inches. Of course, it's a tandem axle and also has slide-in ramps which allow for easy loading and unloading of equipment. It's perfect for hauling light to medium duty equipment and small tractors.
If you're in construction or landscaping, this trailer is perfect for you.
So let's get into the features of this trailer. As you can see here is an 8,000 pound manual jack. You can see the charger right there. It's a Demco Easy Latch coupler, the best coupler in the market. You see it's operated on a C-frame, and you have the top rails too as well. You also have all that space that extends all the way out to the ramps. Stake pockets too. You got the fenders and you have the wheels too on both sides as well. Look amazing. And behind here you can see the LED lights. This is a very amazing trailer. You can see the spare tire mount. Always make sure your trailer comes with a spare tire mount. And right here you got LED lights on the front too on both sides.
Since day one, we've been focused on doing things the right way. Honest deals and real support after the sale. With a 4.9 average Google rating, a massive selection of dump trailers, it's easy to see why customers keep coming back. And with a full parts and service department, we're here for you long after you leave the lot, delivering the best customer experience in the game.
Aside from that, this is an amazing trailer at an amazing price point. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to purchase this trailer, please call the number down below. You could text us, or you can even visit our website at www.mtxtrailer.com. We're located here in Glen Allen, Virginia. Thank you guys so much for watching. We can't wait to see you on the lot.
Hey everybody, and don't forget, when you purchase a trailer at MTX, you can load up and save up to 15% on all parts and accessories when you purchase your trailer. Come see us soon.